The concept of the Comprehensive Annual Financial Report, CAFR, was introduced in the United States in 1946 by the Government Finance Officers Association, GFOA, to encourage transparency in government financial reporting. In the realm of government and nonprofit financial reporting, organizations lacking expertise in preparing CAFRs often struggle to meet the high standards of financial transparency and accountability expected by stakeholders. They may face challenges in compiling the extensive financial and statistical information required, struggle with adhering to GAAP standards for governments, or fail to effectively communicate their financial story to the public. This can result in reduced public trust, potential loss of clean audit opinions, and missed opportunities for improving bond ratings. At the individual level, finance professionals may find it daunting to navigate the complex requirements of a CAFR, struggle with coordinating inputs from various departments, or face difficulties in presenting financial information in a clear and understandable manner. This can lead to delays in report preparation, inconsistencies in reporting, and inadequate disclosure of crucial financial information. This foundational course comes to the rescue by providing comprehensive knowledge and practical skills in preparing a comprehensive annual financial report. It equips participants with the tools to compile, prepare, and present a CAFR that meets professional standards and effectively communicates the entity's financial position and performance. By taking this course, individuals will gain expertise in the structure and components of a CAFR, including the introductory section, financial section, and statistical section. They'll learn to prepare government-wide and fund financial statements, write the management's discussion and analysis, MD&A, and compile the required supplementary information and statistical data. The impact on organizations can be substantial. With professionals skilled in CAFR preparation, government entities and nonprofits can expect improved financial transparency, enhanced compliance with reporting standards, and better communication of financial information to stakeholders. This leads to increased public trust, potential improvements in credit ratings, and recognition for excellence in financial reporting. At the personal level, participants will become valuable assets to their organization's financial reporting teams. They'll be able to lead CAFR preparation efforts, ensure compliance with evolving reporting standards, and contribute to improving the overall quality and readability of financial reports. This expertise can lead to career advancement opportunities in government financial management, nonprofit accounting, and public sector auditing. Don't let the complexities of comprehensive financial reporting hinder your organization's transparency and accountability. Empower yourself and your team with the skills to excel in preparing comprehensive annual financial reports. Enroll in this course today and take a crucial step towards mastering the art of government financial reporting and enhancing your organization's financial communication.